Uh, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Continue, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Good morning, everyone. I am Pratiksha Bhalerao from Tank Road MPS Secondary School, Bhandup. Uh, since a few days, we are learning about carbon, and yesterday we have seen about the solubility tests for carbons. So we'll proceed with this topic, and today we are going to learn about some more chemical properties of carbon dioxide. Sodium carbonate is formed when carbon dioxide is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of this aqueous solution? Can anybody tell me? Aqueous solution means the solution which contains water, like liquid form. So sodium carbonate is formed when carbon dioxide is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. When carbon dioxide is passed from sodium hydroxide, it, it becomes sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate means what? Washing soda. Do you know about washing soda? Where we are using this washing soda? You can unmute yourself and you can tell any of the student. Hello, quick. We don't have that much time. Anybody?
Okay. Madam, unmute your mic.
Hello.
Madam, continue.
Okay, okay. Now it is audible.
Yes.
Okay. So some more chemical properties of carbon dioxide. When sodium carbonate is formed when carbon dioxide is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. When sodium carbonate is formed means washing soda. Can anybody tell me what is the use of this washing soda? You can unmute yourself and you can tell me. Washing soda.
Miss, this is using in the washing for clothes.
Yes, very good. It is used for washing our clothes. It is used in our daily routine by our mother or any of the person who can wash the clothes with the help of this washing soda. So when the carbon dioxide pass through the sodium hydroxide, then sodium carbonate is formed. And the chemical reaction for this is 2NaOH plus CO2. So it form Na2CO3 plus H2O. Sodium carbonate is formed. Now, sodium bicarbonate is formed on passing CO2 through an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. And in this sodium carbonate, which has been formed from carbon dioxide and sodium hydroxide. So this sodium carbonate is formed from passing CO2 through an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. So sodium bicarbonate means baking soda. You know the use of this baking soda. Have you heard somewhere else about this baking soda?
For making
Yes,
bread.
yes.
Yes, for baking bread and all the that bakery products are made up of baking soda. Right,
Yeah.
very good. So these two things, washing soda and baking soda, are made by passing carbon dioxide. So we can easily get this sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Let us proceed now. We will see some uses of carbon dioxide. Some uses of carbon dioxide. See, the first use, liquefied CO2 is carbon dioxide is used to remove caffeine from the coffee. You know caffeine in coffee, in tea powder, some amount of caffeine is there which is not good for our health. So they are using carbon dioxide to remove this caffeine from the coffee. So it is good for it, we can have it easily. So this is the first use that CO2 means liquefied CO2 is used to remove caffeine from coffee. Understood this?
Yes,
So
miss.
now, yes. So now the second use is liquid CO2 is used as solvent in modern eco-friendly dry cleaning. Have you heard somewhere about this dry cleaning process?
Yeah, for cleaning our coat or just
Yes, for
shorts
cleaning
or
our clothes, expensive clothes or some of the very delicate clothes are there which are require dry cleaning, which cannot see. We are cleaning our clothes at home, but it is wet cleaning. But the CO2 is required in some of the industries. So for the dry cleaning process, for dry cleaning our clothes, liquid CO2 is used. So these are the two uh, uses that liquefied CO2 is used to remove caffeine from the coffee, and liquefied CO2 is used as solvent in modern eco-friendly dry cleaning, okay, which cannot harm our delicate clothes. Now the third use, plant use CO2 in our air for photosynthesis. Can anybody tell me what do you mean by photosynthesis?
Ma'am,
plant make their own food by process of the photosynthesis or by absorbing the sun's heat and making their food.
Very good answer. Photosynthesis means plants make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide. Yes, from where they are getting this carbon dioxide?
At the atmosphere, from the atmosphere.
In atmosphere, from where it comes?
uh,
human
by the
body
Yes,
we
factories
exhale
or
carbon dioxide.
due
Carbon dioxide.
yes,
Yes, we exhale
carbon
carbon
to
dioxide.
burning fuel.
Yes, very good. One by one. We are exhaling this carbon dioxide, and the plants get this carbon dioxide to and use it to make their own food. And what we are getting from these plants?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Very good. So these are the these are three uses. Liquefied CO2 is used to remove caffeine from the coffee. Liquefied CO2 is used as a solvent in modern eco-friendly dry cleaning. Plants use CO2 in air for photosynthesis. In examination, they can ask you to write the uses of CO2. So you need to write these three also, included the others which I'm going to tell you. Fine. Now, CO2 is used to make aerated drinks. Can you tell me what do you mean by aerated drinks?
Soft drinks.
Soft drinks means what? What type of soft drinks? What is
Like
there
Sprite.
in that?
In there, there
Huh.
is present in
What
their
you have
CO2.
you see in over there? What the different things you can
Yeah,
see over there?
when we open the cup,
See
there
when
is
you
a
open it. Huh.
when we open the
Yes, yes,
cup,
yes.
there is a gas. There's a gas come out. That is CO2.
Yes. When we see when we open any when it opens, suddenly some bubbles come out, है ना, with the pressure. So that pressure means water is aerated, means carbon dioxide is there in that soft drinks. So they are using this carbon dioxide to make drink which we are using in our hello. But one
बोल इसको भी खत्म Hello. Hello.
Hello, I'm there, I'm there. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Oh, yes, yes. So these aerated, hello, can you hear me? Hello. See, these aerated CO2 is used to make aerated drinks. So in our drinks, soft drinks, so, carbon dioxide is used. But these aerated drinks are not good for our health. So we should not consume it in large amount. Now, the fifth use of this is solid carbon dioxide is used in cold storage. Cold storage, you know,
Is dry
where
barf ke factory.
we need to store some. Hello, hello.
Hello. Yes, miss.
Solid carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide is used in cold storage and also to keep milk products and during
Hello, teacher.
transport. Okay, some. Hello. Yes, beta. Hello. Speak up.
Hello.
Solid carbon dioxide is used in cold storage. If you want to transport milk or milk products, है ना? Any other products from one place to another place. So we need this solid carbon dioxide, which is called as dry ice also.
Hello.
Now it is also used for getting special effects of mist in drama and movies. You
Hello.
you're what?
अबे नेट चलने
Hello.
नहीं घुसा रहे हेलो
Pratiksha madam?
There is some network issue maybe, that's why it is disconnected.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Wait for a minute. There is some milk product, frozen substance cooled during transport. We need to store milk product because when it comes in the normal room temperature, it becomes means it is wasted. So to store them to make it fresh, we need to keep them in cold storage things while transporting. So solid carbon dioxide, which means dry ice, is used for this purpose. And the other uses, it is also used for getting special effects of a mist in drama and movies. You have seen that in movies you can see some smoky thing is going on in the movies. It is why? Because they are using carbon dioxide while giving this shots. Okay, so mist means like a smoke or very dense water vapory climate. If they want to form, they are using carbon dioxide for this purpose. Now carbon dioxide obtained by chemical reaction or kept under pressure is used in fire extinguisher. We know that fire extinguishers are there which are used to extinguish the fire, है ना? Fire at homes or at anywhere. So they are using carbon dioxide for this purpose. We are going to learn about this fire extinguisher now. See, regular fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher contains sodium bicarbonate powder. In any regular fire extinguisher, you have seen this fire extinguisher in school.
Yes,
In our
miss.
school, we can see that red color cylindrical instrument is there, that is called as fire extinguisher. Okay, this fire extinguisher contains sodium bicarbonate powder. So how it is used? See, there is also dilute sulfuric acid placed in a glass capsule. In that fire extinguisher, a dilute sulfuric acid is placed and the capsule breaks on pressing the knob. When they press the knob, then the capsule breaks out. the sulfuric acid comes in contact with the sodium bicarbonate. The sodium bicarbonate, which is already present in the cylinder, get contacts with sulfuric acid, and the two react chemically to release CO2. When dilute sulfuric acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate,
Hello.
it forms CO2, carbon dioxide. Yes, beta.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hello. 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 Can you hear me? Hello.
Madam, you continue.
You can hear me, na?
Yes, miss, you are audible.
Yes. Okay. So, see, when the dilute sulfuric acid, after pressing the knob, gets in contact with sodium bicarbonate, then CO2 is present. Now, what is the use of this CO2 over here? CO2 based fire. See, CO2 extinguishes any of the fire. It extinguishes the fire. So, when the sodium bicarbonate, which is already present in the cylinder, gets in contact with the dilute sulfuric acid, then CO2 is present. CO2-based fire extinguishers do not cause corrosion and are
Hello.
not
Hello.
are non-conductors of
Hello.
electricity. Means electricity cannot conducted through this
Hello.
CO2.
तुम्हारा हेड बहुत अटकता है.
Hello.
हेलो टीचर, आवाज बहुत वो हो रही है.
Hello.
हेलो.
Hello. Therefore,
Yes, teacher.
these are used when electrical and electronic equipment catches fire. See, this CO2 is good conductor of electricity. So, mostly these CO2 based cylinders, fire extinguishers, are used in electrical or electronic equipment, which catches the fire in the industry. CO2 based fire extinguishers are used to extinguish small scale fire. The industries which are having small scale, this CO2 is used over there because it is beyond their capacity to extinguish a big fire. Big fire cannot be extinguished with this CO2 based fire extinguisher. In modern fire extinguisher, liquid and solid CO2 is filled under pressure. They are filled this CO2 in liquid and solid form in pressure. On reducing the pressure, it becomes gaseous. When we reduce the pressure, it becomes gaseous and comes out forcefully through the horn-like hose pipe. You can see in the movies or somewhere else in the videos that fire extinguisher fireman is there, na, which
Hello. Carbon dioxide. Hello.
अरे भाई
And the-
शांति रखना, टीचर आएगी ना.
and the dilute sulfuric acid is there. When we press the knob, it breaks down and the sulfuric
Pratiksha madam, unmute yourself.
it is unmuted, ma'am.
Continue.
Wait for a minute. Portion is sodium bicarbonate solution and the yellow portion is sulfuric acid. When we press the knob, it breaks down and the dilute sulfuric acid gets in contact with sodium bicarbonate to form CO2, and this CO2 is used for extinguishes the fire. It is used in basic things. So understood till this? What are the different use of CO2 and what is the how a CO2 is formed in fire extinguishers? Have you understood this? Hello, hello,
Yes. Yes, madam. What you?
hello.
Yes, you are audible, madam. Madam.